Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic given, is TransUnion a government agency or a private company? TransUnion is a private, publicly traded company, not a government agency. It's one of the three major credit bureaus in the United States, along with Equifax and Experian. These companies are for-profit businesses that collect and maintain consumer credit data. How does TransUnion make money? TransUnion's business model revolves around selling data and analytics to other businesses. They make money in a few key ways. Selling credit reports and scores, banks, lenders, and other financial institutions pay TransUnion for access to consumer credit information to help them decide whether to approve loans, credit cards, or mortgages. Providing risk management and fraud prevention tools, beyond just credit, TransUnion sells services that help companies verify identities, prevent fraud, and manage risk. This is used in a wide range of industries, including insurance, real estate, and telecommunications. Direct-to-consumer services, TransUnion also sells products directly to individuals, such as credit monitoring services and identity theft protection plans. While they work with government agencies and are regulated by bodies like the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, to ensure fairness and accuracy, they are not a part of the government themselves. Their main purpose is to serve their clients by providing them with the necessary data to make informed decisions. The role of credit bureaus. Credit bureaus like TransUnion play a vital role in the financial system. They act as a central hub for credit information. They collect data from creditors, like banks, credit card companies, and auto lenders, on how people manage their debts. This data is then compiled into a credit report, which is used to calculate a person's credit score. This system benefits both businesses and consumers. For businesses, it helps them assess risk and offer credit more confidently. For consumers, having a good credit history can lead to better interest rates on loans and a smoother application process for things like apartments or insurance. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.